The International Air Transport Association has said the price of jet fuel has continued to increase in recent weeks, with its price increasing by 70% since the start of 2021. According to ITA, the Switzerland-based trade organization representing over 290 international airlines, the increase in Jet A1 price is putting pressure on airlines' operating costs and threatening the industry's profitability. ITA said that jet fuel price continued to trend upwards in recent weeks as economic activity restarted around the world and supply remained tight. The association disclosed this in its airline's financial monitor, which was released on Tuesday. It added that as of early November, jet fuel price was 70% higher compared to the start of the year. Still in business, the Security and Exchange Commission has said it will continue to strive to deliver coordinated and coherent policy advice, capacity building and regulatory supports to build the momentum of the green economy. The Director General SEC, Mr. Lamido Yukuda, said this in a goodwill message at the official launching ceremony of FMDQ Green Exchange on Tuesday. He said the Commission remained a strong advocate for promotion of infrastructure development through sustainable financing. According to him, SEC believes that the huge budget deficit and the infrastructural gap in the country can be financed by harnessing resources available from sustainable finance investors and interest groups around the world. Moving on, the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Professor Yemi OSINBAJO, has said the country's economy may not be able to create as many jobs as the country needs due to its high population growth rate. He made a statement during his keynote address at the 4th Annual Impact Investors Foundation Conference held in Lagos. The Vice President spoke virtually from his office in the Federal Capital Territory. OSINBAJO said the population growth rate consistently exceeds the capacity of the economy to produce sufficient jobs. It is also quite evident that some of the most lucrative businesses in the economy and with profits they make, only a few people relative to the population benefit from huge dividends that are declared. Now, global stocks stayed below this week's record highs and oil prices rose in jittery markets on Wednesday ahead of inflation data later in the day. The U.S. Consumer Price Index for October is predicted by a Reuters poll of economists to come in at an annualized 4.3% of the closely watched core measure versus the U.S. Federal Reserve average annual 2% inflation target. The mood could change if there were signs that inflation pressures went beyond supply chain concerns, he added. Brent and U.S. crude futures extended gains into a fourth session, hitting two-week highs around $85 a barrel, after industry data showed U.S. crude stocks expectedly fell last week.